Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equals to 5 over 4 sine t. Because if I put this one going here, we have 25 over 16 sine t square. Number 16, we simplify 25, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds we have 5 over 4 cosine t dt. So I need to put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 25 over 16 sine t square. This one we have 25, we can do about factorization. So this one we have cosine t square. The square root of number 25 cosine t square, we have 5 cosine t. Now we need to simplify 5 over 4. Number 5 I will put in here. Cosine t, we have cosine t square. Next, we have cosine t square plus sine t square equals to number 1. Because we have cosine t square, so I need to put this one go to the right. So I need to put this one going here. 1 divided by sine t, we have cosecant of t. This one we have sine t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotangent t. The integration of sine t, we will have about positive cosine t in here. So about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 5 over 4. And we got about t equal to all sides of this one. So I need to put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.